Today, I am going to show you how to add an FAQ section in WordPress. This is a simple way to answer common questions for your visitors and make your website more user-friendly. For this tutorial, we will be using the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. I will leave a link for Divi in the description so you can check it out if you do not already have it installed. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Open any page where you want your FAQ section to appear and click on Enable Visual Builder at the top. The Visual Builder will load your page so you can edit it directly. Next, scroll to the section where you want the FAQ. If you do not have a section yet, click the plus button to add a new one. Inside that section, add a new row, then click the gray plus button to add a module. In the list of modules, you will see one called Toggle. You can also use the Accordion module if you want several toggles grouped together. Let us start with the Toggle module. When you add it, you will see a field for the title and another field for the content. In the title box, type in your question. In the content box, type in the answer. By default, the toggle can be expanded or collapsed when visitors click on it, which makes it perfect for FAQs. If you want to add more questions and answers, simply duplicate the module or add another toggle. If you prefer to have them grouped together in a cleaner way, use the Accordion module instead. The Accordion works almost the same as the toggle, but all the questions are displayed together in one block and visitors can click to open one at a time. After you have added your questions and answers, you can style them to match your brand. In the Design tab, you can change text colors, background colors, borders, and spacing. You can also apply your global colors if you have set those up in Divi. Once you are happy with the layout, click Save and then exit Visual Builder. Your FAQ section is now live on your site. This method is quick and flexible, and you do not need to install any extra plugins or write any code. You can add as many questions as you like and adjust the style at any time. So that is how you can add an FAQ section in WordPress using Divi's Toggle and Accordion modules. If you want to try Divi yourself, I have included the link to Divi in the description.